from Los Angeles. I have a question. For some reason, I oversleep, and by the time I woke up, it's already time for Maghrib. So, what is the hukum for those Zohar and Asr? Should I say Maghrib first, or what to do with Zohar and Asr?
Clear, brother. Inshallah, I will answer you. So, man nama an salatin aw nasiyaha, he basically slept until Maghrib, Sheikh. So, we have a lot of questions, so if we can expedite, you know, mashallah.
Okay.
You're popular here in the US, Sheikh Asim.
You guys are used to fast food, McDonald's and KFC, but here we have things, you know, the hard way. So I'll try my level best. Akhi, when you fall asleep, Allah uplifts the pen of accountability. This doesn't mean that you're exempted from sin. If you had all the right to oversleep, then Allah Azza wa Jal forgives you. Once you wake up, immediately pray prayers in their order. But if you wasted the time when you were awake and you didn't care that you would oversleep over Dhuhr and Asr, you spent the whole night playing cards or watching video games and prayed Fajr and continued until 8 or 9 or even 10 a.m. and then went to bed, knowing that you'll oversleep Dhuhr and Asr, then this is sinful when you were awake, not when you were asleep. So if you wake up, just pray them.
Jazakallah.